Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, in this lecture we will be discussing the important questions of the first topic of this chapter, and the topic is physical changes, right? So the first question is, melting of ice is which type of change? Students, if this question comes as a 1-mark question, you will simply write the answer as physical change. Alright? But if you are asked for an explanation, you will tell that there are no new substances formed, right? We are only able to see a change in the physical state of water, right? We are only obtaining change in the physical state of water. So this is a physical change, right? Next question, what are the physical properties? The physical properties are basically size, shape, right, and state of a substance, and also the color. These are the physical properties. If you are asked, this is again a 1-mark question. Next, give 2 examples of changes around you. You can give any 2 examples. First one can be setting of curd. You haven't been asked physical or chemical changes. You can say any thing, right? Second can be melting of wax. Third can be boiling of water. Depends on how many examples you've been asked. You can list any changes. If the question specifies to basically list you to list down the physical changes or chemical changes, then you have to look into the question carefully. Here you have only been asked about changes around you, no physical, no chemical, any change you can tell. Alright. Now give 2 examples of physical changes around you. Now the question has asked you that you have to tell about the physical changes. So first one, the easiest one that you should always think is melting of wax or ice, right? Both of these are physical changes. Secondly, boiling of water. You can simply roam around water if you've been asked about physical changes, right? So these are the 2 examples of physical changes. You can also say cutting of paper. Alright, there are a number of physical changes that can be listed down. Next question, fill in the blank. Most of the physical changes are dash in nature. This dash word is reversible. Most of the changes are reversible, right? Now, why are we saying most? Why are we not saying that all of the changes? Because there are certain examples such as cutting of paper. Because in this change, yes, we are not obtaining any new substance. Yes, there is only a change in the physical properties, but we cannot as such reverse it. We cannot join those paper bits to make a paper. So that is why we cannot say that all the physical changes are reversible, but most of them are reversible in nature. Alright. Next question. Cutting of paper is a, what is the cutting of paper? It is basically a physical change, as I just explained. It is a physical change because there is no new substance found, right? There is a change in the physical property, which is shape, and there is no change in the chemical properties. You will be learning about chemical properties in the second lecture. Till then, this is enough answer for you, that you have to mention that cutting of paper is a physical change. Alright, so these were the important questions regarding the first topic. Thank you for your attention, students.